Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of your kitchen looking like the aftermath of a bloody food fight? Cooking should be a joyful experience, not a grueling slog through a minefield of blunt knives and useless gadgets. In this video, we're going to kit out your kitchen with 10 smart tools that will transform you from a donkey to a culinary genius. These gadgets are going to save you time, reduce mess, and have you plating up restaurant-quality dishes in no time. So get ready to ditch those rusty old tools and step into the 21st century. In today's video, we'll explore 10 essential smart kitchen tools that will revolutionize the way you cook. These gadgets are designed to simplify meal prep, enhance precision, and even make cleanup a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll know which smart kitchen gadgets are worth investing in. Before we jump in, like this video if you love kitchen hacks, subscribe for more home organization and smart living tips, comment below, what's the one kitchen tool you can't live without? Let's get started. First up, we're tackling the dreaded onion. Chopping onions by hand is a one-way ticket to Tier City. An electric food chopper will mince those onions in seconds, along with garlic, nuts, herbs, you name it. No more watery eyes, no more uneven chopping, just perfectly diced ingredients every time. Look for a USB rechargeable model for ultimate convenience. Next up is the mandolin slicer, a tool that strikes fear into the hearts of clumsy cooks everywhere. But trust me, this isn't some medieval torture device. Used correctly, this tool will become your new best friend in the kitchen. We're talking paper-thin cucumber slices, perfectly julienne carrots, and fries, so even they'd bring a tear to McDonald's eye. Just remember, this tool is sharp, so always use the handguard. We want you slicing veggies, not your fingers. Baking, as you know, is a science. You can't just throw ingredients together and pray for the best. This is where the digital measuring cup and scale comes in. This ingenious gadget measures both weight and volume, taking the guesswork out of baking. You'll be measuring out flour, sugar, and liquids with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring your cakes rise to glorious heights and your cookies have that perfect melt-in-your-mouth texture. Now let's talk about the Instant Pot, a magical device that's like having a Michelin star chef tucked away in your cupboard. This multifunctional pressure cooker is a game changer. It's a slow cooker, a rice cooker, a steamer, and even a yogurt maker, all rolled into one. You can whip up a hearty stew in minutes, cook perfect fluffy rice, or even bake a cheesecake in this beauty. Just set it and forget it, and let the Instant Pot work its magic. Let's be honest, we all love a bit of fried food, but the guilt that comes with deep frying can be a real mood killer. That's where the air fryer comes in, your knight in shining armor, here to save the day, and your waistline. This magical device uses hot air to crisp up your favorite foods, using little to no oil. Think crispy French fries, juicy chicken wings, and perfectly roasted vegetables, all without the added fat and calories. Sous vide cooking might sound intimidating, but I promise it's easier than you think, especially with a smart sous vide cooker. Simply set the desired temperature and time, and let the sous vide cooker do the rest. You'll be amazed at the results. Perfectly cooked steaks, tender chicken breasts, and vibrant vegetables all bursting with flavor. It's like having your own personal chef but without the hefty salary demands. Are you tired of throwing out wilted lettuce and freezer-burned leftovers? Then you need a vacuum sealer in your life. This handy gadget sucks all the air out of your food bags, locking in freshness and flavor. Your food will last up to 5 times longer, saving you money and reducing food waste. Plus, it's a godsend for sous vide cooking, ensuring your food is perfectly sealed for optimal cooking. Staying hydrated in the kitchen is crucial, but let's be honest, who wants to keep washing their water bottle all the time? That's where the self-cleaning water bottle comes in. This genius invention uses UV light to kill bacteria and keep your water fresh so you can sip with confidence. No more funky smells, no more scrubbing, just pure, refreshing hydration. We've all been there, slaving over a hot stove, stirring a sauce for what feels like an eternity. But fear no more, for the automatic pan stirrer is here to liberate you from this tedious task. This battery-operated gadget does all the hard work for you, ensuring your sauces are smooth, creamy, and burn-free. Now you can focus on more important things, like opening another bottle of wine. Last but not least, we're giving your trash can a much-needed upgrade. Say goodbye to those smelly, germ-ridden bins and hello to the future of waste disposal. A smart trash can with a motion sensor opens with a wave of your hand so you don't have to touch a thing. It's hygienic, convenient, and even looks stylish in your kitchen. Plus, some models even come with built-in recycling compartments, so you can feel good about doing your part for the planet. There you have it, you bunch of culinary warriors. 10 smart kitchen tools that will transform your cooking and make you feel like a true master chef. From chopping onions without the tears to cooking restaurant-quality steaks, these gadgets have got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, upgrade your kitchen, and start cooking like a pro. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more kitchen hacks and smart living ideas, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And be sure to let me know in the comments which of these tools you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep cooking smart, stay organized, and enjoy delicious meals effortlessly. Chopped and prepped ingredients faster with an electric chopper and mandolin slicer, cooked like a pro with an Instant Pot, air fryer, and sous vide machine. Stored food smartly with a vacuum sealer. Kept the kitchen clean effortlessly with a smart water bottle and automatic trash can. Introducing the Smart Herb Garden. Fresh herbs at your fingertips. This innovative tool allows you to grow fresh herbs right in your kitchen, ensuring you always have the best ingredients for your dishes. With automated watering and LED grow lights, it's perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. Say goodbye to wilted store-bought herbs and hello to a thriving indoor garden. Discover the Smart Kitchen Scale, precision weighing for perfect recipes. This tool ensures your ingredients are measured accurately, making your cooking and baking flawless. With its sleek design and easy-to-read display, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. Meet the Smart Coffee Maker, your personal barista at home. Brew the perfect cup of coffee every time with customizable settings and app control. Whether you prefer a strong espresso or a smooth latte, this coffee maker has you covered. Start your day right with a perfect brew. Introducing the Smart Refrigerator. Keep your food fresh and organized. With advanced cooling technology and smart features, this refrigerator helps you manage your groceries efficiently, track expiration dates, create shopping lists, and even get recipe suggestions based on what's inside. Upgrade your kitchen with this smart appliance. Upgrade to a smart oven. Perfect cooking, every time. This oven comes with pre-programmed recipes, precise temperature control, and remote monitoring. Whether you're baking, roasting, or broiling, achieve perfect results with minimal effort. Make cooking easier and more enjoyable with a smart oven. Upgrade to a smart dishwasher. Sparkling clean dishes with less effort. This dishwasher offers powerful cleaning, energy efficiency, and smart features like remote control and cycle monitoring. Say goodbye to hand washing and hello to convenience. Keep your kitchen clean and your dishes spotless with a smart dishwasher.